What's the meaning of banyan tree? Banyan tree. Banyan tree.
Banyan tree. Banyan tree. The banyan tree is a species of fig tree that grows in tropical regions of Asia and Australia. It is known for its sprawling, aerial roots that can extend from the branches and trunk of the tree, forming new trunks and creating a canopy that can cover several acres. The banyan tree is revered in many cultures as a symbol of longevity, strength, and resilience, as it can survive for hundreds of years and withstand harsh weather conditions. In Hindu mythology, the banyan tree is believed to be the abode of the god Vishnu, and in Buddhism, it represents the Bodhi tree under which the Buddha gained enlightenment.